Data is only as powerful as the insights you can draw from it. This video is a guide using Grafana with Protonest Connect to develop dashboards. Grafana is a professional dashboard builder that lets you visualize your data without writing a single line of code. Instead of building a custom interface from scratch, you can replace manual development with Grafana's drag-and-drop power to see your results instantly. Now, let's get your data flowing into Grafana. First, copy your credentials from your profile in the Protonest Connect portal to authorize Grafana as your secure data consumer. We begin by initializing a new Grafana dashboard to serve as our centralized monitoring hub. In Grafana, select the Infinity data source to connect APIs and paste your JWT token generated from Postman directly into the bearer token. This instantly grants Grafana authorized access to your Protonest Connect environment. For real-time monitoring, you can use tools such as the Gauge visualization to capture live data inflow via WebSockets. You can visualize historical trends using tools like time series graphs to perform deep dive analysis of sensor data over extended durations. Use our portal documentation for more details on WebSocket and API endpoints. Define your boundaries. Set custom thresholds in Grafana to trigger alerts the moment a sensor crosses your safety limit. From real-time live streams, deep dive historical trends to instant smart alerts, visualize every insight you need in one view. Generate professional dashboards for monitoring without writing a single line of code. Protonest Connect. Bring your idea, configure, ship.